Are you ready for the Squid Game? It's ready for you.
Uh-oh. I think someone's feeling anxious. Looks like anxiety's working overtime today. Here, try this inside-out pack. Cut it open. There's a bunch of mystery packs inside. Well, let's pick out the first one to open. Oh, there's a little anxiety inside. We need to get her back in Riley's head. It's always good to keep an open mind. Now we can make an office for the emotions. We'll need a wall and some shelves. Open another pack. It's a coin.
Yes!
Let's use it to buy some gumballs. Try to win as many as you can. Next, we've got marbles. Time to fill up those shelves. A fresh coat of paint will help liven things up. Yeah, it's nice, but kinda empty. Grab some styrofoam. We're gonna carve out a control panel. Just make sure it fits right inside. Now, we need to make the cover. Carve out the grooves and add some paint. Now, it's gonna need some buttons and levers. Use stick-on gems and old sewing needles. Add a lot. After all, emotions are complicated. It's not just for show. Attach a battery below. Connect it to some wires and mini lights. Now we can light up Riley's mind.
Oops.
Think we can find anxiety some teammates? Not sure what that is, but it's making him angry. Well then, we can always customize it. We can just make our own emotions. Complete with a backbone. Cover it up with clay. We can even add some fingers. She's gonna need a dress. Oh, it's starting to look like Joy. And just like that, she's ready for the office. Let's see who's next. This block eraser's already reminding me of anger. Pretty soon, we're gonna start seeing red. He's gonna need a suit to show up at the office. Looking at these surprises, I'd be crying too. Still, we can make something out of these pieces. Of course, she might start feeling a little blue. Draw her a new face. She's gonna be our new sadness. There's just one thing she's missing. a tiny pair of her very own glasses. Now put Riley's scalp back on top. Of course, we can always take a look inside whenever we want. Things sure get spooky here in Sprunky Town. I just knew we should have went to Funky Town. Well, while we're here, we might as well play the pyramid. Check out the pyramids inside. Look, it's Oren. And it looks like she's in good company. Don't you just hate it when someone gets under your skin? Of course, Oaxis will see our side soon enough. See? He's already embracing his dark side. Pretty soon, he won't be the only one. Oren knows it's best to keep an open mind. But we can always reuse these parts. Jeepers creepers, time to add some peepers. Don't worry, the heat will cauterize everything. Well, almost. Does anyone have a napkin? Still, now there's plenty of room for some fresh new organs. And now it looks like ribs are on the menu. Oh, it looks like Ratty wants to say hi. But now it looks like he needs to split. No bones about it. Still, let's help him get the point. Ooh, ouch. He could use some color, like a nice coat of green. Red and green just pair well together. I think Simon needs a little privacy. But we've got to keep on schedule. Besides, don't you want to show everyone your new smile? Anyone in the mood for pasta? You know, Simon always wanted to be a Cyclops. Of course, they usually have at least one eye. Veneria could use a little haircut. How about a new do? And maybe some eye surgery. Hair's not the only thing that gets extensions. And we don't just mean eyes either. Looks like someone's got a big mouth. Now for teeth. Ooh, anyone up for a bite? Hey Pinky, how about a makeover? What you need are some seashells and clay. Let's add eyes. Of course, you only need 2. And who says mouths can't be vertical? Almost done. Just need ears. Come on, Sky. Open wide, like at the dentist's. Careful about dribbling. Now for a little trepanning. Are things too bright in here for you? Try on some shades. but you still want to see. You're never fully dressed without slime. Everyone sure looks spooky, kooky, and altogether ooky. So how about a little before and after to finish things off?
Ew.
Working through emotions is important, but it sure can be messy work. You know, I don't trust that anxiety. She has her skeletons. This guy's big enough for a whole army of emotions. Now for the secret ingredient, slime. And it's fresh. Don't forget to keep an eye on things. Of course, we're gonna need a lot of nerves. Plus, a few more eyes wouldn't hurt. Here's looking at you, kid. And these nerves double as hair. Oh, save that bottle. It can make a nice jaw. Of course, our skeleton needs some skin for these bones. Wouldn't it be chilly with no skin on? That mouth could use some white, too. And tinfoil. Next, throw in some pink. Now mold into butterfly wings. Remember, don't skip leg day. Get them into shape. Don't forget lip day either. The mouth could use some red. Everything else could use some orange. Get your gloves on. It's time for a little dental work. Want teeth? We'll need to make some room. Uncooked pasta? Guess it's al dente. Paint them white, and it's time for some fillings. Doctor, do you take walk-ins? 4 years in med school, and now he's squeamish? Well, we can't let a good tongue go to waste. Dry mouth? Some UV resin should take care of that. Just shine some light to keep it in place. This tongue's practically a waterfall. Next, take a fork and bend it into place. Cut it too. I think it's time to upgrade those hands. And now you can stand on your own 2 feet. Now add white paint to keep that bleached bone look. Next, it's time for a familiar striped shirt. There's some wear and tear, but rags are in season. And a little muck and grime never really hurt anyone. Wow, you're really uncoming together. Those eyeballs could use a little fuzz. Just look at anxiety in all her new gory glory. Now she's ready to take all those memory orbs